Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to attach crinoline to lining neatly and professionally. This method is perfect for gowns, dresses, skirts and structural outfits. So if you want a clean finish without bulk, keep watching. So this is our crinoline. We had to use pieces to finish the raw edges, and after that we'll place it at the downside. Look at how I placed the material right side facing each other. So we place the crinoline on the lining and then we'll pin it. We'll take it to the sewing machine to sew. So the crinoline is on top of the lining, so I will remove my pin and I will start sewing all around the downside of the blouse. Okay, so I'm going to sew with 1/2 inch all the way down. So I want you to watch so that you're going to see the finished look of this blouse. Okay, because after sewing like this, there is another trick that you're going to follow to sew so that the downside of the crinoline will relax very well. So just keep watching, you are going to understand the process. Watch to the end to get the maximum benefit. So while getting to the end, I had to cut the crinoline and then use pieces to turn the edges so that it will not poke on someone's body. So after finishing the edge, I will complete the sewing around that area. Okay, so keep watching. So after sewing to the end, I'm going to reduce the allowances at the downside. I will trim it. After trimming, I am now going to top stitch. Okay, so I'm going to open the lining separately with the crinoline one side, and then I'm going to top stitch on the lining area. Okay, not on the material, on the lining area. That is where I am going to sew. So I will keep sewing until I get to the end of it. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. So after sewing, I'm going to sew the neckline, okay, so that we'll be able to turn it. So I'm sewing the neckline. After sewing, I'm going to top stitch it. So next, I am going to sew the sides, okay. So see the crinoline, see the way I placed it. I turned it forward and then I'm going to use 1/2 inch to sew the two sides. So after sewing this side, I'm going to sew the other side as well. After sewing, then it is time for us to turn it to the right side, and then we are going to give it a good press. After giving it a good press, you are going to see the final result. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, give this video a comment, share it with someone who loves sewing. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy sewing tutorials on my channel. I am Lois Ada.